have a party tomorrow at Rockabilly Chili. Before that's a new Alvin,
We do a lot of Priuses.
Do you?
We do a crazy amount of Priuses. Stuff going on with the coolant. That looks... All right, there, it's going.
Hey, this is Dan and Wright. I'm here in Elgin, Illinois, in front of all these Ultra Booms in Elgin, Illinois.
You gotta love it all the way around. This is just a cooler looking car.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Hi there. Kind of funny. CPM down the road had an 02 Camaro. And Frank's a little bit more of a Camaro guy than a Firebird guy, he said. But like I saw it, I drove it. It's not bad, but you guys are right across the highway from each other, so I think I appreciate it.
Hey, have a good one, sir. You too. Weekend.
Well, we bought it. And I found out something else kind of special about this. Check this out. Arizona title.
Oh, wow.
Previously titled in Nevada.
Interesting.
Yeah,
so now what? You want me to follow you back to Milwaukee, Wisconsin?
that's the plan.
All right.
In the garage and we'll deal with it.
I'm driving the Prius.
Yeah, we got the keys.
All right, see you soon. Don't crash. Stop this gas station.
This car.
Oh, really?
Anyhow, we should figure out where we're going.
Back to Wisconsin.
I know. I guess we should figure out how we're going, where we're going.
Well, I can't sit here. We're blocking the thing.
From who?
All right. Oh, you piece of shit. That's what you're gonna do to me? Go down?